There is a very curious question which I come across from many seekers to know what is Sri Vidya and what are the kinds of Sri Vidya that are available for the practice of the common man. Sri Vidya is rarely heard concept, but in the present day, recently it is becoming very trendy word and very popular. Hence, I get thousands of phone calls to find out, what is Sri Vidya. I recall my Gurudev Swami Rama defining what is Sri Vidya in 1992 when I met him for the first time. He said, Sri Vidya is that wisdom by knowing which you don't have to know anything else or anything more. So to say, it means supreme Vidya. Sri means supreme, Vidya means wisdom that is attained by through worshipping or propitiating a female deity. Otherwise, the male deities are called mantras. Here it is called Sri Vidya, means it's not knowledge, but it is the wisdom derived out of the practices of female deity or Shakta tradition. So accordingly, Sri Vidya is categorized as 12 kinds according to the 12 devotees. So let us know who are these 12 devotees who are named after 12 different parts of Sri Vidya. The 12 devotees are Manu, Chandra, Kubera, Lopamudra, she is a female Rishika, Manmatha, that is the Cupid god, Agastya, the sage Agastya, then Agni the deity, Surya, another deity, Indra, another deity, Skanda, obviously Subramanya, Shiva, of course everybody knows, and the 12th one is called Krodha Bhattarika, that is none other than sage Durvasa. Designed and propagated 12 parts of Sri Vidya. And the description of what is Manu Vidya, what is Chandra Vidya, what is Kubera Vidya, what is Lopamudra Vidya, or Manmata Path, Agastya Path, Agni Path, Surya Path, Indra Path, Skanda Path, Shiva Path, or Durvasa method. They are all descriptions of each of these, and the mantra details are given in the text called Jnanarnava Tantra. And interestingly, apart from this, who are the precursors or founders or pravartakas of Sri Vidya Marga? This is also very interesting information. Sri Vidya has 3 paths basically. One is called Kadi Marga, second one is called Hadi Marga, third one is called Sadi Marga, which is the Mishra or the mixture of Kadi and Hadi. Obviously, the mantras begin with the letter Ka. For example, Kaye Ila Hrim. It starts with Ka. The mantras which start with Ka is called Kadi Marga. The mantra which starts with the letter Ha is called Hadi Marga. Hasakahala Hrim. The mantra starts with Ha letter. That is called Hadi Marga. Sadi Marga or Mishra Marga is a combination of letter Ka and letter Ha. What are those mantras? How it should be practiced? This is all Sri Vidya mysteries and Rahasya, it is called, and should be known only through a competent guru of Sri Vidya. Now, who are the ardent followers or the beginners who made the beginning of this Kadi Marga of Sri Vidya? There are 6 devotees by name: Brahma, Manu, Agastya, Manmatha or Kamaraja, Indra, and Yama. So these are the 6 devotees who followed the path of Kadi Marga, the mantras starting with the letter Ka. And the mantra, the popular mantra Kaya Ila Hrim, is seen first and practiced by Lord Manmatha. And the second variety is after Kadi Marga is Hadi Marga, and the devotees and deities of this Hadi Marga are Hari, Hara, Kubera, Lopamudra, Surya, and Durvasa. So they are 6 in number. First 6 Kadi, second 6 are Hadi Marga, and Sadi, which is the mixture, the presiding deities and who saw this mantra path and precursors of Sadi, the Mishra Marga, is Chandra, Nandikeshwara, and Skanda. So these are the leading devotees and devatas who are connected to Kadi Marga, Hadi Marga, and Mishra Marga or Sadi Marga in Sri Vidya Pravartakas.